except for an emergency situation. Night gliding is not an option if you are without a guide. We do not recommend taking videos during your first glides.
Please remain experience.
All right. And now can you still say that's really exciting? Yes. No? Good answer. Good. So it's not just what you're going to do for 2 days and 3 days, like walking until to the tree houses. And then hopefully you will see gibbons around the tree house. So as everybody knows that they are wild animals, so we cannot guarantee that. So just bring your luck today. And about your trekking stuff, I would like to remind you again that's what you need to take with you on the first day hike. I have a bottle now, you can also fill it up. That's we have a water next entrance before leaving today. And for the bug spray, mosquito repellents. So of course you need it at the table, you can burn it. Just need to lighter, sorry. And also for the headlight, if you do if you're willing to do the escape tour, you need it. It's dormitory. So you're going to hike early in the morning, tomorrow morning, because you're gonna walk all the way back at some point to wait for the sunrise. And for the gibbons, hopefully will sing because they always sing only in the morning. Not every morning, but only in the morning. So when we have weather, nice weather, when they are in a good mood, when they are not drink too much heavy water, they cannot. You know, sometimes. You need it for escape tour, especially for that. Make sure you have one for each because you're going to hike early in the morning. And also for giants and classics, so those you also need it. So at least one for two. If you don't have for everybody, just take one for two. And they also have for rent at the across the streets. If you still haven't get it yet, it's also possible. As long as you don't forget to put your chin strap